The pack leaders is here in Fresno, protecting families, protecting pack. It's been a while since I've done a video, so I'm gonna do one right now. I'll probably go back to being more consistent on it. We've done a lot of testing lately, programming, and we're testing when's the appropriate time to take a loss, and built in a few things, but it just didn't turn out to be the best strategy on how to do that. So what we're going to be doing is figuring out how to play on our strengths. So we can trade sideways pretty well, but times we don't know when it's going to be trading sideways. If we have price action, and usually when price action is low, it does a pretty good job of trading sideways. But there are times when it trades sideways, but also on a medium to high price action, which is what we set as, somewhere between $68 to $168 in a 15-minute time span. And that does happen, where it's just constantly whipping back and forth, and we're like, dude, but it's sideways, and so it's just constantly knocking stops. So if that's the case, we have to trade a little differently, and not take profit too fast if it's trending up or down. If it's sideways, then we can constantly take profit. So what we're going to be doing is to create some auto adjustments where maybe looking back within 3 hours or something like that, where if it's the high and low, we can calculate. We'll get that 3-hour high and low, and if the 30-minute high and low is within the 3 hours high and low, then we could probably safely say it's within a sideways kind of motion, or at least kind of wedge it in, which is good for us. Now, if that 30-minute high and low is actually higher than that 6-hour high and low, then we could say, hey, maybe based on these calculations, it's starting to trend up, or vice versa, trending down. So that 30-minute low needs to be higher than the 6-hour high, or vice versa. The 30-minute high needs to be higher than the 6-hour low for it to be trending down. So that's what we're going to be looking at, and we can adjust those settings, so it could be 6 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, depending on what time frame you're looking at, what that you want to trade in, and then create the settings appropriate for those trends. Alright, so I think that's all I have for today. I'm going to be programming that in maybe this week or so. If you want to get access to the Leverage Trapper Bot and support the development of that, and provide any feature requests or whatnot, it's in the link below. And thanks for supporting the pack. Thanks.